here at the shop. Come on, say it, güey. You want to throw the whip on right now or what?
You know es, me lo traje por si acaso. That's right.
I got my boy Santos here, Big Lips, White Hips. He brought his Coyote over because he's doing some badass mods. The Whipple, but you can take care of that. We're not gonna put it on here. I don't know how to fucking put that shit on. But maybe we'll learn how. We're not gonna learn on this one though. But we're gonna be doing the booster pump that we did on the red truck. That one helped out to throw a little bit more voltage on the pump to do E85 in our case. I don't know if you're doing E85.
E85 también.
Yeah, so running the stock pump and then doing that booster pump helps with the 85 to have more fuel, have more power. So Santos wants to run that same system. I told him, man, come on, let's do it. I mean, it'll take probably an hour or two, hopefully.
That's basically 4 hours for us.
Yeah.
Well, you're recording, everything doubles, bro. Everything doubles. Style, you didn't record it, go back, take it off, redo it.
So is this a how-to video?
No, we're not liable if your shit breaks. Si pones el negro donde va el rojo y el rojo donde va el negro, algo va a tronar. While we're here working on it, we have some behind the scenes going on back there. The TKO headquarters is getting built right now. Digamos bien chingones, we're not even doing anything, we're just watching, but
You got boots on though.
I got my boots on, bro. Estando bien en jale, mira. Mira. Andan quemando el cemento ahorita. It's gonna make our life a lot easier from being able to record a little bit more comfortably, having a controlled environment, keeping these trucks clean. Shit, we wanna have a little shop to work on these trucks, maybe a little lift, will be badass. That's all things that we're gonna get as we, you know, we grow a little bit more, but I mean, this is already a big ass jump for us, so we're super excited for that. So hopefully you guys enjoy some of that content, and hopefully you guys enjoy this content too, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. That helps us grow more, guys. Man, if we can get to 26, we can get to 30, then 40, then 50, God, that's cool, madre, guys. So appreciate the support, hit the subscribe. It only takes one little button, one little finger to press a red button, and it turns gray.
Trying to get on y'all's level, bro.
Where'd you buy that at?
This one, camarada, Hombo Fonseca hooked me up.
Shameless plug right there.
I pulled the trigger before. I could have got the injectors through Fonseca too. But I jumped the gun, I didn't know, or else he would have hooked me up on that. So if you're looking for this booster pump specifically, or any other pump, booster pump, or injectors, hit up Fonseca, they'll hook you up.
I'll put his Instagram right here. ¿Quién es Fonseca?
I'm the parts plug.
¿Quién es Fonseca?
The parts plug right here.
You better not put that squeaky sound on my fucking hand.
Porque son como no rechinó, güey.
No mames.
¿Por qué comieron rechinó?
I told you it was Juan. I told you it was Juan, bro.
That's fucked up, bro. That's fucked up. ¿Sabes qué? Bájala.
So which one you putting in?
We're gonna depin this one. Last time we depinned this one and we fed it from the inside out. Este va adentro. So we unfed it and then fed it the other way around just because it was already depinned. Now we're gonna depin this one and feed it from the inside out. Va a quedar así. ¿Y este queda funny?
Okay, look. So I think you have to go to the voltage booster for the Mustang.
Yeah, that looks like the same thing. Yeah, that's it right there.
So go down. This one a little bit more detail. This one tells you like you're gonna have to depin connectors.
Yeah, it does.
See?
Like that?
Wrong instructions. Those are the right ones?
See, it's gonna tell you you're gonna have to shave that pin.
I hope so. I guess we'll find out.
But yeah, so Deechworks, put the right instructions on the QR code.
Look how much space there is down here, bro. Let me show you the camera. Let me see the camera. Ahí está la pinche monda. The driver, fuel driver. Look how much space there is. Santos fits comfortably, bro.
Yo estoy chiquito también, güey. That should have took me that day, güey.
Hey, güey.
Mira, güey.
What are you trying to say, güey? Ah, no
shit.
mames.
Bro, why did we take the whole bed off?
We had our magnet for a badass huge ass fucking.
We just like to struggle, bro. We like to struggle.
Bro, the camera seen it. You didn't even see it. Santos fits there like a, no, not even like a glove. Quedas con chingo lugar, ¿verdad?
Como guante?
Sí.
Como
Sí,
guante?
queda como guante con madre. And me, I was trying to put my hand in like this and then move it like that because of the dry shaft and then go back up to fucking get that module. Got the exhaust, got the dry shaft, gas tank. There's really not much room. And then we had two duals.
Dremel would have been clutch.
Dremel would have been clutch, yeah.
Pues allá se cortó con navaja también.
Plug too. Has a good shape. The stock plug.
No way.
Yeah.
Ahorita le checamos.
Oh, the one over there?
Yeah.
For this?
Yeah.
Ahorita le checamos.
Alright guys, I got it off. All it took was a little bit of strength, but it came off.
What would we have done without Fonseca? Would have
Yeah.
still been fucking struggling here. We got the little, what is this called?
That's the fuel pump driver.
So we took the fuel pump driver off. We had to shave. I thought you were shaving up here. I don't know why. But in reality, you should shave the side of the connector here. This is the side that we shaved. So that's what it looks like. That's the side that's unshaved. You see like the little lip that it has here? This is only one versus this side it has two. The bottom one and then the top that used to be there. That's what you need to shave for your connector to be able to go in. Heard it click.
See this vent right here?
Yeah.
That's the cap vent. We're gonna feed it through there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
That's you? Yep. That's you? Alright, I got you, bro.
Yeah.
I got you. Got you. My boy Santos for real fits under there perfectly. I'd get stuck down there.
Currently have the 90mm throttle body, stock throttle body on the stage 1 Whipple install by the guys at Friendly Ford across Texas. What was limiting us to make more power, which we're already pushing 700, the bigger throttle body, which is 132mm,
Yeah.
and then the bigger intake tube, which is a 5-inch here, but it goes down to probably a 3 or 3.5 here. The new intake tube is a 5 to 5.
It's elliptical, right? It's like an
Yeah.
oval. It's not a round throttle
It's
body.
not a round one. Ahí lo tengo adentro, lo sacamos para mirarlo, pero since Santos is putting the stage 2 whip on his this weekend, I asked him if he can bring me the bolts because that's kind of what's been holding me back. I don't have the bolts for that.
Oh, we're missing bolts for that?
Yeah.
I found some right here. You know, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
We're good.
Hell yeah. No, ya chingamos. I
I
don't know how
just,
Santos is going to do it, but
I just found them in the back of that red Ford right there. Yeah. One man's
That was meant
treasure.
to be, bro.
One man's trash. Another man's treasure.
Yeah. Anyways, he had these bolts, and I wanted to just get a measurement instead of going back and forth at the hardware store, because apparently this thing has a adapter plate. Is that what this is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It does have an adapter plate.
So yo lo voy a quitar, güey. Lo voy a quitar de volada. I got the flathead right there. I'll take this off, take that off, and I'll try to see if I can take off the throttle body and just presentar el otro.
Santos still can't find the hole.
Should go help.
I guess if you want, yeah.
Aquí en la toolbox arriba
Mm-hmm.
tengo unos, güey, pero vienen con el little socket.
Okay, okay. Go get those. I'm gonna record the concrete. I'm gonna record the concrete. How you do that? You heard that scream? Wrong hole? My boy lost the hole. You can't find the hole? What the?
I didn't want to air myself out, pero ya estamos aquí, ya que vergas.
He's been down there for like 25 minutes. He didn't say nothing.
He's been so quiet. We're like, hey, you good? He's like, yeah.
Am I close to it? No se ve ni verga de allá. No se ve ni de aquí, menos allá.
Yeah, bro, I see your hand.
A ver, throw the peace sign.
Yeah, hold on. Got you.
Eso.
Got you.
Man, you're like right on it right there.
I don't know, okay.
Sí, güey.
You can see it?
I can see it, yeah. So I have it on the camera. I don't get to see it.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking able.
Okay, you press the wheel, alright?
No, I don't want to. Well, the instructions say what the lock is.
Nah, bro, we don't
I
need
don't know.
instructions. Remember that.
I thought your middle name is Manuel.
Did we lock ours?
I think we made a code for ours. I want to say we did.
No me acuerdo. Yeah, we did. You didn't tell me the fucking lock, so we're pretty much Pretty much fucked on that. So ahí prendió. Ya es oficial. At least it got power.
That's right.
And the ground that took 2 minutes. Okay, ya quedó. It was a bitch, huh?
It's a bitch, bro.
It's
2
a
minutes plus probably 38.
Yeah, we see Santos struggling down there. Fuimos a checar el cemento, casi lavamos las trocas y todavía aquí con el pinche ground.
Todavía en chinga ahí abajo.
These are instructions.
Okay, like no hay nada. It's the one that's on that first instructions.
It says 4849.
4849.
4849.
Vergas, and you think they're all the same or what?
4849.
Oh no. Okay, disabled. Hit that. Oh no, enabled. Oh no. Oh, okay. You gotta click it and then scroll. Scroll down. Yeah, disabled. Okay. And then you put the little back arrow. Okay. Settings. Oh, it's 18 volts?
No mames.
14?
What?
42?
Oh, mama. I'll blow my shit. I'm leaving here.
So should we do 14? Do you want to do 14 for now? And then when you do the tune and all that, you switch it over to 18?
Alright.
And then mode, always on. Ramp. Instant. Type, brushed. You got a brush monitor. Not brushless. Ahí está ya.
Alright, so ahí ya quedó. The only thing that I need to do once.
Once you do the tune and you install everything else, switch it over to 18 volts.
Okay.
So once you load up the new tune, put it on 18 volts. Fucking loud. Fucking loud, dude. Actually, way too loud. Way too loud. Yeah. That's too loud.
Bro, that ring my ears, bro.
That's too loud.
That sounds good.
Telling you, bro. Alright,
Too
it's
loud.
too loud for me.
Okay.
1,000% better. That sounds better.
I'm gonna do that stuff. That sounds good, but man, it's so loud.
What would you rate the install? Simple, easy, minus that bolt you struggled at the end.
No, it was simple.
Simple, ¿verdad? Anybody could do it at home.
Yes, anybody can do it at the house.
I would have been fucking yelling and bitching out the bowl and shit. I didn't hear Santos say shit.
Well, you ready to make some jam, bro? Shit. Quick little 800,
Yeah,
nothing much.
hopefully. Yeah, I'm shooting for mid-7s. I'd be satisfied.
Oh, bro, right here we full send it. Full send, bro.
Full send.
Full send.
Como no pagan, vato.
Easy.
Damn, bro. It's like that, bro. It's okay. I'm gonna full send my car when it's done. If it's done. Ever.
We already have a date for that, right?
Which
this
one?
guy's taking his Type R to get fully tuned.
Not that one, not that one, not that one. The other one. I'm not full sending the Type 4. I'm with you on that one. As safely as possible, I want to make power on that one.
You hear that?
Let's wrap up this video right here. We did the booster pump on my boy Santos' truck. I didn't do it. He did it. So una reguisa
Big help, man.
just a fucking bolt, like ground bolt. That's the only thing that's a problem. So if you guys feel that you guys want to do it, no tengan miedo. Easy as hell. As long as you know how to deep pin a harness and put on that ground bolt, that's pretty much it. So hopefully this truck, y'all stay tuned on my boy Santos' channel, Big Lips White Hits. We'll put them on the description below. The whip is going on next few days. Videos coming out here pretty soon.
Pretty soon.
Y
Yeah,
de
stay tuned
repente
for that.
nos echamos una little
Una friendly?
race. Una friendly race.
We'll have to go to Mexico one of these nights.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long drive, but we'll get there. But appreciate you guys tuning in. Y'all tune in for the shop being built here in the next few weeks. We're gonna have a video that's gonna be multiple weeks, but we're gonna put it together in just one clip for you guys to enjoy. And that shop should be up and running soon, because I don't wanna be doing work guys. Un lift, mamelón, paraditos de abajo. El AC is in Fonseca. He's gonna sponsor one of those AC cool mini splits.
Una hielera con un abanico.
El que sea el pinche porco, güey, échale hielo, fucking uno de esos. A trabajar a gustos. And that's gonna be coming up pretty soon. So appreciate you guys watching. Let's get to
26.
30K.
30K?
Let's get it 30K, guys. We're at 25. We hit that goal. Let's go to 30K. We'll catch you guys in the next one.